This is the application of LR02 latching relay with DAE controller LT2544 and momentary switch. Step number 1, connect 24 voltage power source to the power port of LT2544. Step number 2, connect R1 terminal of LT2544 to control signal terminal of LR02. Step number 3, repeat step number 2 to the rest of 3 LR02. Number 4, connect first normally open momentary switch to SI-1 and SI-C port of LT2544. C stands for COM. Step number 5, repeat step number 4 to the rest of 3 normally open momentary switch.